So in this video, I'll show you how you can remove a package that you have installed using pip package installer. So hey guys, this is Vishwit and welcome back to my channel. So let's start the video. So first I will open my terminal and over here I will list all my environment. Okay, let's consider this one, Python 3.9 test, conda activate. I'll do a right click. Okay, I have to copy this and do a right click. Yep, Python 3.9 test. And now if I want to check what are the packages that I have installed. So you can see there are so many packages that we installed. Most probably we installed one package, that is the Jupyter Lab, and it pulled all of these packages. So for example, let me delete this package Babel. Okay, it is a very important dependency, but let's say we want to remove it. Pip uninstall. It's Babel. Yeah, it is first going to find the package, that is the Babel, and list out the version, that is 2.11.0, and it found out these things like where your packages are installed. So now if you want to proceed, just press Y and enter, and it uninstalled your Babel. This is the way how you install stuff. Okay, so this video was pending. If I found out any videos that is pending, I'll add it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to press the like button, and thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in an awesome upcoming video.